Hey designers, in this video I want to talk about what are the different drawings except floor plans which we should know to make our home design beautiful and functional. Before we get started, let's make sure we all are on the same page. What do you usually call these? Some of you might call them floor plans, blueprints or layouts. Here's the thing. Professionals call all of these as drawings. For example, a floor plan which shows the layout of the rooms in a building is just one type of architectural drawing. So don't worry if you have called them something else before. Throughout this course, we will be calling all these design documents as drawings. The main purpose of all these drawings is to make the viewer visualize the design accurately before it's built. Now we will clear our basics as a designer and learn about the different types of drawings and the specific information each one provides. Starting with the most important drawing we need to design is floor plans. Think of floor plan as you have taken a house, sliced it horizontally at about 4 feet from the floor, and now you are looking down at it from the top. It's like a bird's eye view of the house with the roof removed. Now we can see clearly the layout of the space, furniture arrangements, room connections, and their sizes. One thing which we can't visualize in the floor plans is heights. So for this we need another architectural drawing which we call as section drawings. Section drawings is an imaginary vertical plane cutting through the house, and we are looking at the house from one side of the vertical plane. Now we can clearly see how high the ceiling is in the different spaces. Like in living and dining, we can clearly see the double height ceiling. Next, you want to see how the car will come to the garage, or how many sides we have road access, how large is our garden, or who is in our neighborhood. In this case, we need another architectural drawing which we call as site plan. Site plan is simply a bird eye view from the top of the house. This shows the surrounding of our site, road connections, and shape of the plot. Now, what if you want to see how your house will look from the outside? In this case, we need another architectural drawing which we call elevation drawing. It's simply a flat view from all the four sides of the house. In this, you will see which material are applied on the exterior. It helps in visualizing the house exterior aesthetics. There are more drawings like electrical, plumbing, and construction drawing, which shows exactly what their name suggests. But right now, we don't need to know deeply about them. That's all for this video. In this video, we learned which drawing shows us what information. Next, we will learn how to read them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.